How to check Instagram call history. Hello everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to check Instagram call history, you need to first launch Instagram app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap message icon at top right corner of the screen. Then you will successfully land on the chat section. If you want to check call history with a particular person, you have to simply open the conversation with that person that you will be able to find the call history. But in the case you want to check all the call history, what you have to do is simply hit back after you land to the chat section at the top corner of the screen. There you will find the two icons. You simply need to click on the camera kind of icons. Clicking on that icon, you'll be able to find all the call history of your Instagram. Unfortunately, that option is not available in my Instagram account. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram account. With that, you will get that option and you'll be able to check Instagram call history at the end. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.